Guys, see that it caught something and it ate it on the quicks. So it caught something right now and it ate it. It devoured it. It sticks on the trellis. It scouts for the flies or whatever it eats, and then it swoops in for them very fast. Yeah, so those birds have been all, and you saw it pooped. So yeah, those birds have been all over my garden now, and I think I'm providing the food for them as all the insects are coming to the plants. So that's why this year I've been seeing a lot of birds compared to last year. Last year my garden wasn't as big and I didn't see as much birds, but now since it's all bushy over there, they like to go in between and then they like playing around all over there in that area too.